Hello everybody, welcome to this video. This video is powered by the Nation Web ICT Services. My name is Omar Fortunedo and I'm the MD of the Nation Web ICT Services. So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be showing you how to customize your WordPress website and theme based on the blogging website we are doing today. So how do you start? First of all, we're going to activate our theme, which is a theme we gave you. It's called Saifa. Saifa is a theme we gave you. I'm going to be very fast this one so that we can cover a lot. So when you activate your theme, it will move to this area, which means it's becoming is the active theme now. So when you activate a theme, which is a most premium theme, they will give you plugins. There are plugins that goes with every theme, which shows you that you need this plugin and you need to activate them or you need to install them. But for now, we have already installed them, which we gave you and which you have done on the previous video we gave you. So what you do now is you activate them. If you have done that already, fine. I'm going to activate this one, and activate this. So with this theme plugins, let me check other ones we need, but they are basically the 3 plugins that we need to be activated for this theme to work perfectly. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to create an home page. This home page helps you to customize the website, and with this, okay, let's create the home page. You're going to write home. This is where the landing page that people will, when they visit your website, this is where they will see and read with every information that you're going to paste here. So we're going to call it home. After you are done that, you publish your page. So the next thing we're going to do, we have created our home. The next thing we're going to do, because of this, we are doing a blogging website and we need to create a category for our website, category for the post that we are going to be making on this website. How do you create a category? I'm going to move my mouse on my post, and you see category here. You click on category. So although I have already created some categories here, I'm going to click delete this. I've already created categories. So but I'm going to show you with example of what category is all about. So these are categories I've created. So each post you make should go under a category. If you're talking about business or sports, if you're talking about sports, it should go under sports. If you're talking about business, any article on business, it should go under business. If you're talking about an article on fashion, it should be under fashion. So that is what categories are used for. So but let me show you how to create a category before we go. So next one is, okay, this category. So what is, you can write the name of the category you want to create. Food, maybe you want to have a category you want to talk about food. When you do that, you go down here and click on next, click add new category. When you do that, it has already appeared here. You can see it's already here. So with this now, create your own category. Create about 5 categories as you are seeing here. Create your own 5 categories. The next thing we're going to do is to make these categories, put it on our menu. So I have already done that, but I'm going to show you how I did it. So this is where the menu is. This is the menu. Sorry why I have already, I'm ahead of you, because I did the first video but the voice was not good. So I lost the voice connection and the video was making, so you might not really hear me if I posted that. So I need to make it again so that you can get what I'm talking about. So this is where all the categories will appear, which I've already done. So how do you create this menu here? So I'm going to show you how you create your menu. So when you go down here, so this is where we are now. This is where we are in the creating of categories. So how do you create your menu? You go to appearance, you click on menu here. When you click on menu here, I've already deleted and the home page. This is a disabled home page that let me remove it. So but for your own case, you will not see this. So what you're going to do, you see here, you're going to see your home page. You click on it and click add. So how you arrange your menu determine how they will appear. So this home is supposed to be the first thing that will come. You drag it up, hold your mouse and drag it, so that is what you're dragging. When you once you put it here, you can drop it down and add an icon. See menu icon, add an icon. What you're going to put here, you're going to write home. you search for something like home, an icon like looks like home, because of that is what you're talking about. So you drop it again. The next other categories, for you to get these categories on your own, you go here, you go to your menu here, to your category drop down here. When you drop down category, see, you click view all, then you select all the categories you need. All the categories you need, you can see them, you have selected them. Once you are done with selecting them, you just click add to menu. Because I've already done that, I'm not going to click again because it's going to be too much. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add only one that I created last. So I'm going to just add only food. I'm going to remove others, so I'm just going to add only food and click add. Once you add, it's going to appear here. So that is what it is. So you can also drag it or drag it around, put it above the other one, or if you want to make it a sub category of another category. For example, now this food can go under health. You can drag it by the right like this. So what it means, when you move your mouse on health, it will drop down food as a subcategory of health. So this is how you create a subcategory of a category. So for example, I'm going to add another icon for this food. You can click here. You can add let me add an apple for food. So once you are done, you scroll down here and you're going to check this primary navigation. You check this box and click on save. You click on save. So let's view our website and refresh it. I'm going to show you how I did all this. So for example, what we did, you can see the food here. When you move your mouse on health, the drop down of food will come out. That means a sub menu. That is a subcategory. This you can see it here. So let's go back to what we are doing now. So the next thing we're going to do is to show you how to customize your home page, which is here. I'm going to show you how to customize this home page so that you can see this home page is empty. I'm going to show you how to customize so that all the posts you appearing in this is the page that your visitor will see. So how do we're going to make this page your default page first. How do you make your home page your default page? How do you make your home page your default? Because we created a new page. So how do you do that? You go to your setting, you go to reading. What it means, reading is what people read first when they get to your website, what they will see. That is what reading is all about. So how do you make your home page your default page, that the static page that visitors will see when they visit your website? That's what we're talking about. So you go to check this box, a static page. You check the box, then you can see your home page. You select a page you want it to be the home page. So you select that page. You've done that, you scroll down and save. This is how to make your page, create your home page your default page. So once you have done with that, you can go back to your site and refresh and see this is our default page, this particular page. That's why it is showing like a house here. Before you can see a home by the side, but it's showing house directly as our default page. So how do we customize this home page? You move your mouse on edit page here. Once you click on edit page, and sorry I might be sounding so loud, but don't worry, it's because of the mic on my mouth. So once you click on edit page, you can see all the things you need here. So next thing you're going to do, this theme came with a page builder to help you customize this page. So what you're going to just click on this page builder here. Once you click, you can see that everything you need to customize this page is already here. So what we're going to do, you're going to check these boxes. This is a review box count. Any post that is being reviewed, you see it to be count here. Auto meta is where it shows the author of the post. When you make a post, the author, the person that wrote the post. So the next one is date meta, shows you the date of the post. Category meta, show the category of the post. Comment meta, this shows a comment box in every post. This view meta shows how many views a post is getting. So what is grid featured post? So you're going to check this grid featured post. Grid is a block kind of arrangement. That's what a grid is, to arrange your a post in a block form, and you're going to select the categories of posts that will be showing in that grid form. So how do you do that? You hold your control mouse, hold your control button on your keypad, and click on with your mouse, select the categories you want to be showing on the grid. You can see once you are done, you remove your hand from your control, then you click outside the box like this. When she shows this color, you are done. So next one is to activate the slider. You scroll down to, and you will select the category of posts that will be showing on the slider. When you hold your control and use your mouse to select the categories one by one, hold your control, use your mouse and select the category one by one. That is what I'm doing now. When you are done, you remove your hand on your control, then you click outside the box here. It shows like this. So once you are done with this, the next thing we're going to do, you can see this block kind of design. These are the different formats your posts will be showing. So any design block you select, that is how that particular category of posts will be showing. So the first we're going to do is to select the category box one. Once you click on it, it means that you can see this style of post here. This is how your post will be arranged in this category. So this is how your post will arrange. So once you select it, by default it selects the top category. So once you select this, any category you want to be showing first, you drop this. You can go to another one. You can say let's select this scrolling category. You can select another category which is fashion, then you close it again. Let's go for another one. You can say I select this one, you move this down. Then when you double click it, you're going to get it 2 times, so take it easy. You select food as a category of this block. So the next one we're going to do is to let me select picture from. So when you go to this one, you select health. So the next one I'm going to do is to select these category tabs. These category tabs in a box, you can check, excuse me, you can check a box or category you want to be showing on the tabs. So you can select, let's be selecting about 3 of them. So once you are done, you click on minimize it. The next one you're going to select is the recent post, the last one. So what it means, the last part, you're going to select different categories so that all the posts from these categories will be showing. Sorry, excuse me, let me take a water. Okay, welcome back. So once you are done selecting the category, you minimize this and scroll up, you update or you publish. Your own will be showing publish because I've already done this before. You publish your own, but my own will be on update. So we are done. For your own is published, for my own is update. So anything you are doing for the second time, it will be telling you to update it. So next I'm going to show you how to make a post. So move your mouse on post, click on add new. Okay, this first here is where you write the title of your post, which this title describes the kind of category this post is going under. So let's say something make a, okay, my E is not working. Make over over 10k on Clickstripe. Affiliate marketplace. So this website Clickstripe is is an affiliate marketplace website whereby the affiliate members promote products on the website by sharing the links of the product on different social media websites. So if you join on this website, you're gonna make money by per click. So when people goes through your link, clicks on your link you shared, and visits the products, the website pays you per click, and also the website pays you per sale. When somebody goes through your link and make a purchase of any product, you get a commission of up to 30% commission depending on the product. The last one you aim is per referral, 35% referral bonus when you refer another affiliate member to join this website. Sorry about that. Why this is because this is the second time I'm making this video again, so I have talked too much. So when you refer somebody, you're gonna give it 30%, 35% referral bonus. So join the site is clickstripe.com. It's clickstripe.com. So this is the title of your post. This is the body where you write the content. So you can write this where you post your content, you type your content, anything you want to do. So this particular post is talking about a business, something related to business. So by default, this post is supposed to go under business by default. So because of the training, because this is a training purpose, and we have so many other categories, so we cannot start making posts for different category one by one. So what we're going to do is to select every category to still take this post in them. At least every category has a post. So you select all the categories, but by default you're supposed to channel this post to business. So that is what it's all about. So that at least you're going to make about 5 posts. So when you make a 5 posts and you select all the categories to receive this post, so you can also on your body of your article, you can also add an image to it by clicking add media. Add media, you can also add your media. This image I've uploaded already. You can align the picture, so you can add an image on your text area. Then the next thing you're going to do is to every post must have a featured image. So this is where you add the featured image. I'm going to say select the same image. So you publish your post. So this is what you're going to do for 5 posts. You're going to create about 5 posts, and all the categories must have the same post on them because of time. That is what you're going to do. So next thing I'm going to show you is about the 4 major area about a website. 4 major parts of the website. So you can see here, you can see what the post I just made is showing now because of the work I've already done. You can see the food, you can see other things, categories I've already placed them on. So the 4 major areas about the website, you see that. See from here, this menu from this black area upwards is called the header. It's called the header. Here is called the body. This side. Here is called the sidebar. This is where widgets are being set here. Then when you scroll down, here is called the footer. footer area, you can put widget. These are widgets. I've already done that before in the video I made before. So how do you put these widgets here? You go to your dashboard and move your mouse to appearance. You can see widgets here. Sorry, I clicked on menu. Click on widgets. So you can see those widgets are already here. You can see the image. So how did I add this? I'm going to remove it and add it again. So what it means, so when I click on this image here, these are widgets area. So select where you want to target. Is this the primary one or the footer area? So I'm going to select the primary widget area. I'm going to add it here. So this is the image area. So I'm going to upload an advert image that will be showing there. This advert image can also be linked to another website or linked to any other area. You save. Once you save, you can drag and rearrange the widget to where you want it to be, because you can drag it and put it anywhere you want. So also goes with the footer and also this third footer, second footer. You can click on anything here and add it to that area. Okay, let me click on recent comments. I'm going to add it on the third one here. You add it here, it's going to appear here. It's showing recent comment, but I'm going to delete it. I'm just showing you for a purpose, so I'm going to delete it. You can see that this one is already here. So this is what they call the footer, the widget area. You can also use to add on this. You can see they're already here. So I'm going to show you how to add your advert. This advert here, and also about your logo here, how to change your logo and everything. So how do you do that? You're going to go down to your website here. You can see the icon of the team Saifa. You will see team setting. You click on it. So sorry, it's still loading. Okay, what you're going to do next, you can see this has a space here and also a space here. So I'm going to try to make this theme to expand and reach to the end. So how do you do that? You can see the frame, the theme's layout is about frame or box type. So I'm going to select full. When I select full, I click save. It is saved now. So let's refresh our website and see how it will look like. It have already expanded to the full. So that is what it's all about. So I'm going to show you how to add see the header area, see the header setting. When you go to the header setting, this is where you can upload your own logo. Once you upload your logo, it will override the logo you are seeing there, and you must make the size to be this 190/60. That is 190 length and 60 height, width and height. You can see it's 190 width and 60 height. So, or you can use your site title. Once you click on site title and click save, it will change that logo to a write-up, the name of your site. What you see then is the blog. This blog, name of my website. That's what you see there. If I click select on display site title and click save, and that is what you will see there. So, and next one I'm going to show you is the advert setting of how we added that banner on top. You can go see now. You can see top banner area. So once you check this on to be on, because by default it's to be like this when you open your own. So you on it and click on here and image add. Once you click on image add, you see a upload button. Once you click on the upload button, you go and upload the image which we gave. Is already on my site. It's already you can see the image here. You can upload it from your own. So but I will not upload it. It's already there, so it's already on my library here. So it's already here. So if I'm uploading, I'll just click on it and insert. But I've already done that before. So once you are done inserting it, you go up and click save. Once you click save, the effect will take place. So when you have done all this and created about 5 posts, you will see how beautiful your site will look like. And if you have any question, you can also chat us up on WhatsApp and ask your question for more information and for more guidance. So thank you very much, and see you next time.